Page 289, he's got the whole world in his hands. This is an improvisation in a contemporary style. Oh, mixed meter. They're changing the time signatures. Remember the idea with changing time signatures, generally, not always, but most of the time, there's going to be something common that kind of ties them together. And in this case, it's going to be the quarter note. The speed of the quarter note, the speed of the beat is going to be the same. The difference is going to be how far you count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that changes the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, or however it is. So it adds syncopation. Accents can provide syncopation too. You don't have to change the notes or the rhythm. Accents can do it. That's what this is about. They want you to make up the right hand because they live in the right hand blank. Well, so let's just look at it briefly. We're in the key of C major. No sharps or flats because it all seems to be in C major. 3/4 time to start, but it's going to go back and forth between 3/4 and 2/4. And left hand first, just the chords. Here, 1, 2, 3. That's what they've done. They've just kind of gone down the keyboard. Well, it helps if you know the melody to He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. And it starts out 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here. That's sort of the melody. I'm surprised I even know it, although I played it 100. Now they're telling you to just keep the pattern they're showing you there going on. But in my opinion, that's not it. He's got the whole world in his hands. This is this. And then there's another 2/4 after that. Well, what do you do there? Here, and then go on. Is that what they want? I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm lost on what they want you to do here. To me, it doesn't make sense because it doesn't fit the harmony they're providing in the meters that they're providing. So if you can, and then another 2/4, what do you do there? A half note? But you don't want that, right? Huh? It's like they got extra stuff going on unless you tie it. I don't know what, to me it doesn't make any sense. I guess they knew what they were doing. The closest I can come do it is I'm just going to keep this going down. I'm going to go on down with the left hand. I'm just follow it down. I don't know what else to do. To me, the meters they're providing doesn't fit the song. 1, 2, 3. I can't make that fit this meter. Maybe there's a way to do it. You figure it out. But that's all I can offer here. I don't know what they're doing. I mean, I can continue to play this on down, whatever they want, but it's not, He's Got the Whole World in His Hands.